Imagine typing just a few words and instantly watching your ideas come to life. That's exactly what Krea is. It's not just another AI image tool, it's real-time creation. No delays, no endless loading screens. Every brushstroke appears instantly, every detail comes to life before your very eyes. Just look at how the Statue of Liberty appears on a fantasy island. Krea3D mixes the speed of imagination with the power of AI. You can tweak lighting, shift styles, reshape your image while it's still being made. Creating a 3D model of your cup or a character from your favorite cartoon is now easier than ever. It's like standing behind the artist's shoulder. Except now, you are the artist. And if you think it's just for static images, think again. Krea3D is pushing into animations, 3D design, full environments. This isn't the future, it's happening right now. So here's the real question. If you could create anything instantly, what would you build first?